Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can create a really amazing website using AI. Yes, and if you watch this complete video, then you will be able to make AI website just in few minutes for free. Here you can see our prompt. So you will need this prompt to make AI website, and if you watch this video, then you will be able to make AI website, and you will just need to give your business name, location, contact number, and email. So these are actual examples. These are not real data. And in design, which style you like actually, then how many page you need actually, then the pricing of your restaurant or content style you want. So just we will copy this prompt, then we will paste in Lovable. So just go to Google, then just search Lovable. So here you have to just paste your prompt. Just wait for a few minutes. In just few minutes your AI website will be ready. So here you can see that Lovable has created our website. So just full version. Here you can see a really amazing website. I will just scroll down. Here you can see that pricing section. Everything here you can edit. Just you have to go here. Let me show. If you here like type anything, then you will be able to make edit here. So if I just want to 11 a.m. to, here is given that 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. So I want that 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So just want to edit section that 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Just also you have to wait a few minutes. Lovable will just edit here, and just you can see that here is no images. So just I will also give Lovable image to add here. So here he has edited that our shop or restaurant is open every day, and just we will need to give images him to add attach from here. In attach you will just give all images. I'll just say him that are here images for our menu, please add them, and you can understand image me where to use which one. Okay, so again just we will wait, and Lovable will just add images in our menu section. So here you can see that in our menu section Lovable has added images which I have given to Lovable, and this website is pretty cute. And here in a home section that you can see our complete website, which is really amazing. And if you want to hire a developer to make this website, he can even charge more than 1,000 really. And here in every section you can just edit as you want. There is no limit. And this is free website which I have made just in few minutes. So I hope that you'll have liked this video. Just like and subscribe to our channel.